Welcome to the PhilStockWorld beta waiting tutorial. I'm going to show you how to answer the question, what happens to my portfolio if the SPX decides to drop 10%? What you're looking at now is my IRA, and the first thing we need to do is go over to the Analyze tab. Once we're on the Analyze tab, we need to come down here and we need to change it for, make sure we have Portfolio Beta Weighted selected. You need to make sure that this says single, and then that this says profit and loss for the day, and make sure this says SPX. Once you've done those three things, you should have a graph here, and this graph will tell you the following. If today the SPX goes up to 1700, then my portfolio will show a profit of $586.91. Conversely, today, if the SPX drops to 1550, my portfolio will show a negative $230 loss. Okay, the next thing we want to do is I want to be able to change the shape of this graph. So in order to change the shape of this graph, I'm going to add some hedges. The way we do that is we come over to Add Simulated Trades, and I'm just going to buy a put spread in the SPX. So I'm going to buy a 1600 and sell a 1550. Let's say 1560. If I go back to my Analyze tab now, you can see the graph has changed radically. So now I'm much more profitable as the market drops and not as profitable as the market goes up. Now, I can turn my hedge on and off to see what the graph change looks like by clicking this right here. This is without the hedge. This is with the hedge. And you can just keep adding things to your portfolio until you get the picture that you want. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to respond.